Good morning, all of you. This is Komara Manoj sir. After serving nearly 28 to 30 years in different education institutes throughout the country, and after serving 7 to 8 years in Kota, and honored HOD Methodist in different prestigious educational branches, I would like to share my good moments with you. Presently, due to coronavirus epidemic, we all Indians are living in a quarantine to honor lockdown the period to overcome on it. Since in last 35 to 40 days in the lockdown period, all schools, colleges, malls, clubs, shopping complex, all are closed. So we are feeling like living in a prison, living in a jail, because no entertainment source, no outgoing allowed, no clubbing, no hoteling is allowed. And we must be aware that a man is a social animal. So how one can be happy without getting together? Just to tell me. So you don't worry, my dear. You must know diversity in adversity. You must just make a strategy to work out in these days, remaining 40-45 days. As government is decided and as government is planning to reschedule your JEE mains examinations between 15 to 20 June. I have seen in last 40 days during lockdown period, students are getting bored, they are getting depressed, feeling punished themselves. So mass of the students are not preparing well in this position. So just I am telling you, suggesting you, avoid negativity. Okay, avoid negative people. Stay positive. Keep on charging yourself and be positive. Just make a plan how to recover your complete courses in these again remaining 40-45 days. So I think all the students, they had been the part of any of the institutions throughout any of the state's institutions. So I would like to suggest all that, just revise your copy that had been taught in the class, or take a notes, revise all that in just 15 to 20 days, revise 2 to 3 times in these 40-45 days. Because just I am telling you, the government has decided to take your examination, JEE mains examination, nearly by in between 15 to 20 June. So how many days you are having? You are having hardly 40-45 days. So if suppose you are having 45 days, you are having 45 days, you have to cover the complete course hardly 2 times. If you are just going through the class notes that have been taught in the class. Because in this time, in this position, students are going to depression. Max of the students are not serious, they are not going to revise. So this is the opportunity for all of you just to revise your course and get the maximum marks, maximum benefit of this lockdown period. Next time, it is decided from myself, I will come to Edu Zone, Ratnagiri Center for the purpose. Sometime I will take your classes, and just I will give you the magical steps in mathematics, trick and technique in mathematics. For that I am usually known. So I will come to you for the purpose of seminar, for the purpose of classes also. So just keep patience, keep on charging yourself and feel motivated. And finally, just visit my scholars book for my full online lecture also, and subscribe my YouTube channel for amazing trick and technique. You must be aware that I have uploaded more than 35-40 lectures on YouTube, very shortcut, with a special trick. So you can see the complete class notes, you can see the complete trick and technique from the YouTube channels. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. See you next time. I'll come to you very shortly. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.